as Prime Minister Narendra Modi put it so clearly, India does not do progress in increments. It goes for quantum leaps. And progress at this pace and growth at this scale demands a special kind of partnership. Partnership that is strategic, long-term, agile, and flexible. Partnership that is steadfast, dependable, reliable, principled, and consistent. And partnership that is based on trust, and partnership that will endure through thick and thin. That is precisely what defines the UAE-India partnership. And when it comes to energy, as India consumes more crude to fuel its refineries, ADNOC is proud to be a trusted, dependable supplier.